In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Grok account to SuperGrok. If you're looking to enhance your experience and unlock more features, upgrading to SuperGrok could be the perfect solution. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you know exactly how to navigate each stage. First, we'll begin by heading over to Google. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once you're there, the next thing you want to do is type Grok into the search bar. Grok is the platform we're upgrading on, and by searching for it, we're able to quickly locate the official website. Once you've typed in Grok, hit enter to see the search results. As you look through the search results, identify the official Grok website link. It should be one of the first options listed. Clicking on this link will take you directly to Grok's homepage, where you can begin the process of upgrading your account. Now that you're on the Grok homepage, direct your attention to the lower right corner of the page. You will find the Upgrade button here. Clicking this button is your gateway to unlocking the enhanced functionalities of a SuperGrok account. It's easy to overlook, so be sure to check the corners of the page thoroughly. Upon clicking the Upgrade button, you'll be presented with different subscription options. Here's where you choose a plan that suits your needs and budget. Since we're moving towards SuperGrok, select the plan labeled as SuperGrok. This selection is essential as it determines what extra features and capabilities you'll have access to. After choosing the SuperGrok plan, you'll be prompted to select your preferred payment method. It's worth noting that if you pay with certain banks, you might be eligible for a $5 cashback. This is a nice perk that can make your upgrade even more beneficial. Once you've chosen your payment method, proceed to input your payment details. Finally, to complete your upgrade to SuperGrok, find and click the subscribe button. This final step confirms your choice and processes your payment. Once this is done, you should receive a confirmation notification or email outlining your new SuperGrok benefits. That's it. You've successfully upgraded to a SuperGrok account. Enjoy the expanded features and capabilities at your disposal. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found it helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Happy exploring!